Did you know electricity can help heal wounds faster? The skin's natural regenerative process includes 4 stages: hemostasis, inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. Researchers found that skin cells are electrostatic, meaning they migrate directionally in electric fields. By placing a wound under an electric field, it healed 3 times faster than usual. This method also shows promise for chronic non-healing wounds, like those experienced by diabetics. With continued research, customized stimulation based on individual wounds could make chronic non-healing wounds a thing of the past. Electricity and wound healing may sound Frankensteinish, but don't knock it until you try it.
Go ahead, zap me! Absorbing lightning's totally my thing.
You've never had black lightning before.
Check out this scalar plasma projector testimonial. Hey everyone, my name is Jason, and back in late 2022, I picked up this bad whopping keloid. Really was a hit with the ladies, you could bet. I tried everything to get rid of it. Different oils, different fasts, getting it cut off by a dermatologist, even the ill-advised rubber band method. And it kept coming back, it was relentless. Then one day, a YouTube notification popped up, and thank God the heavens, the universe, whatever you believe in. Because when I tell you that the timing of Devin posting the video of his scalar plasma gun was nothing short of perfect timing. Divine timing doesn't even do it. I was sitting there with salt and honey on my keloid feeling miserable, feeling like I was doomed to be single, wearing a hoodie. And wearing a hoodie for life. So this video Devin posted was one where he was using what looked like to me some sort of gun from the future. I mean, it was shooting freaking lightning, for crying out loud, like you can't make this up. It was completely foreign to me. However, I watched him use this piece of technology beyond my comprehension, and it was in real time flattening a scar of sorts that he had. From there, I immediately bought one. I figured I had no other options and nothing to lose, and was tired of wearing salt on my ear and a hood every waking moment of every day. I had to take the chance. The journey begins. Full transparency here. It wasn't an overnight miracle once I got the scalar projector. However, the difference that the projector could make was immediate if you could work that out. In fact, the picture you see above was after my first roughly 7 minutes with the projector. It immediately made this sort of blackening of the scar to where you could tell it had an effect. Like I said though, the process wasn't overnight. I started with 10 minutes a day, then realized that I was running in circles. The keloid kept darkening like it would then so sinisterly repair itself. It was like I was fighting a character who could regenerate. It was maddening. I had no choice but to keep going, as this was my last resort, so I kept pushing. 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 2+ hours even at times. I refused to let this keloid win, man. A breakthrough. Over the span of 8 months or so, I was able to get it to this, a shriveled up keloid that I really put a dent into. I thought maybe this could be it, so I kept at it. And over the span of the latter part of 2023 into January, I was able to, after some gross skin peeling, go from a keloid the size of a baby's thumb to the picture you see here. Aftermath. As of the writing of this blog post, email, or whichever medium Devin decides to put this out on, I am pretty much blasting it constantly to get the last of the healing process done. Today I went out to get pizza without a hoodie on for the first time in 2 years. It's nuts. I can actually get a proper haircut. Go play basketball with nothing on my head. I don't have to answer, do you ever take off your hoodie ever again? It feels like I just served a jail sentence and it's my first day out. I haven't felt this confident in such a long time. I could go on, but I think I made my point. I couldn't recommend getting this plasma projector if you can because its implications go so far beyond just keloid removal.